Please. Good. Goosey goose here.
I'm like, no, go harder. Ooh.
Open. Close. Perfect.
What is going on, crack addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. Now, let's get into it, and I'll see you on the next one. Up next, we have Dr. Brent Binder.
People usually don't come here and tell me how good they're feeling.
Yeah.
How can I help you today?
Well, I've been dancing for 6 years, so I have a very stiff back. It pretty much never goes away.
Okay.
I have knots everywhere.
Is that just from the activity?
I feel like it's because I wasn't stretching, and a lot of people say, you know, when you dance, you should stretch before, you know, and I never did.
Your back pain.
Okay.
So what do you do to make it feel better? Do you take any over-the-counters? Do you use any icing? Do you have any kind of method? What do you do when it hurts?
I really don't do much. You know, I get massages.
Okay.
I ask a friend for a massage, but other than that.
All right, so let's do an exam. Let's see what your spine says, and then we'll go from there, okay?
Okay.
All right. Something that you're gonna feel is my fingertips, okay? I'm just gonna take a quick scan down your spine. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna come a little bit deeper now. We're just gonna palpate. It's gonna feel kind of like a massage. And I'm looking for different parts of your spine where the muscles are engaged and activated, and where they're actively trying to pull the spine into proper alignment. Here. Left, right, or both?
Definitely right.
Right. And we're gonna come to the right side. We might have a little bit here, hold on. Okay. Tender.
Just a little bit, yeah.
Good. And tenderness there.
Yeah, a little bit.
All right, now let's check back at that T5. Tender.
A little bit, yeah.
And I'm just gonna use my fingers here to push into each segment of the spine, checking for the flexibility, checking for the joint play. Okay, I'm gonna palpate your glute fibers here.
Oh, yeah.
Tenderness everywhere?
Yeah.
More on the left or right?
Definitely more on the right.
All the tenderness in your sacrum was here. Okay, and any pain right here on your coccyx?
No.
No, that's good. Into your sacrum now and check the flexibility. Good. Good. And they're perfectly even. You don't really have one leg that's shorter than the other. What you have is your hips are rotated a little bit, and so I put the blocks under and rotate them the other way, and then they balance out. And that flattened out your lumbar curve as well. Okay, Christina, you ready to get adjusted?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Like that, and you should feel a release, okay? Now, we need to be precise. Go ahead and take a deep breath in through your nose, and then out through your mouth. Good, and just sink in nice and gentle. Good.
Ooh.
Go and take another deep breath in and out. Good. Let your shoulders sink in. Let it all go.
Like this?
Yeah, and then bring your elbows in. And slouch down just a little bit. And as you breathe out, we're gonna lean back together and hold this slouch. And then when we get to the table and my hand hits the table, we'll do an adjustment, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so another deep breath in and out. Lean back, good. Good.
Ooh.
Bend your top leg like this and scoot you forward towards the end just a little bit. And then this forward just a little bit too. Okay, and just kind of like loosey-goosey, let yourself relax. That's good. Good, gentle, gentle little stretch here.
Ooh. That was crazy.
Lay her back. This forward too, just a little bit, just like that. Good. Okay. Feel all that ickiness in there? Okay, we're gonna get rid of that right now. All right, I'm gonna pull this forward just a little bit more. There you go. And out. Good. Good. One more, a little bit lower now. That was the S1, now the S4. Go, let it go, let your hips go. There you go. Good. I'm gonna just confirm what I found in your neck. Go ahead and turn your head to the right. Nothing. Back to center. Now turn your head to the left. Even. Back to center. Neck adjustment's very similar to the other adjustments, Christina. It's going to be nice and gentle. Still tender?
Yeah.
Let's see this left side. Not as much?
Not as much, but it's tender.
Okay. Okay, so let your head just drop into the table. There you go. First, I'm going to bring your head over to the left and see if you can just let your head drop. Good, just like that. Just let it go. And I'm just going to kind of push in and figure this out. Okay, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good. We're going to come over just a little bit more. Let your head drop. Good. I want you to concentrate on this feeling right here. So let me lift up your head and then let it drop just like that. I'll lift and then drop. And so no matter where you are, if I bring you over here or over here, I just want you to let it drop, okay? Nice, gentle breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good. Nice, loosey-goose here.
I've never cracked my neck like that, though.
All right, so we're gonna do the right side now. Same thing, nice and gentle. I'm gonna bring you over to the side, and we'll give a little push like that, okay? Okay, nice soft breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Good. Let your head drop, let your shoulders drop. Good. Nice and gentle here. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Good. Okay, let your head relax. Good. Go ahead and open. Open your mouth. Good. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. All right, so just relax, let your head relax. All right, deep breath in through your nose, not through your mouth. Good, one more. Okay, so we're gonna do an ileocecal valve right here on the umbilical, and then here's the ASIS. We're gonna connect the dots and in between and find the valve.
That's really tender.
Okay. Panera's decent. Push your knees out against my hand. Good, push a little harder. Harder, harder, relax. Bend your knees just a little bit more. Good, right there. Okay, now squeeze my hand in between your knees. Go. Okay, push out. Push, 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 push. Relax. Okay, hold on, squeeze. Squeeze. Harder. Harder, hard as you can. Relax. Okay, hold your knees together.
Okay.
Hold your knees together. Don't let me pull them apart. Hold your knees. Good.
This one?
No, no, no. Right hand. Squeeze. That's good. Okay, relax here. Let this relax, let that relax. Squeeze. Relax. Squeeze. No, no. Squeeze. Harder. Relax. Whoa. Go straight ahead. The spine is moving better here, but I can feel that you have a trigger point right here, so we're gonna work on that, okay? Okay, let's see what's happening down the sacrum again. Much better movement. Let's lean back here. S1, any pain?
Nope.
Pain?
Nope.
Here. S2, pain?
Nope.
S3, good. Pain?
Nope.
Good. S4, pain?
Nope.
Good. Sacrum is clear on the right. Trigger point on the left. You ready to do some breathing?
Yeah.
Okay, deep breath in through your nose and out. Tough girl. You got a high pain threshold.
I know, yeah, I do.
Another deep breath in and out.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.